Hey friends, welcome to Quest for Tech. Just wanted to make a really quick video because there might be somebody out there that bought the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and is feeling like myself, where if you notice this, your front display, sorry for the lighting, I'm just filming this from my phone because I was just doing this randomly. So anyway, if you notice the front of your display, like it's all, I don't know, just dirty and dusty and stuff because of the screen cover they put over it. Or maybe you just start to notice this kind of wear happening around the screen and you figure, I just want to take this thing off. I'm tired of it. That's where I'm at right now. So just wanted to film me taking this off. Just so anyone, if you're worried about what happens, if you decide to take the cover that Samsung installed on your Galaxy Z Fold 3, if you want to know what happens, here it is. So I already started kind of gnawing at it a little bit, just kind of getting it with your fingernail. All you have to do is just get a decent fingernail under it and just start to pull it. These bubbles were not here. I just started ripping it off and was like, oh, maybe I should actually put this on video. So these weren't here before. But so you just get your nail under it. Just try to pull it slowly. Hold on. Let me get my nail back under this thing. All right. And you'll notice nothing's happening. It's not pulling the screen away. Oops. I'm not using my camera mount here, so one hand is holding this. So if you notice, if you just pull it away slowly, not really getting any, the screen is not stopping me. If you notice, it's not ripping anything away on the screen. And I'm just gonna keep, obviously it's easier to do it with two hands, and that's it. All it is just a, little screen cover that they put on there, but it absolutely can be taken off. And then now look at it. So I haven't even wiped it down yet. And it looks fine. Look at that. Look how that shines. My goodness. It looks so much better. Hold on. Let me give it a wipe down. Hold on. So you guys can be the judge, but to me it looks much better with the screen cover off of it. The display just looks a lot more, I don't know, shiny, true to life. You don't get that like kind of film around the side of it that was starting to develop just from regular usage. Obviously you want to make sure you subscribe to Quest for Tech and Quest for Games, but make sure that you are gentle when you use the S Pen. We're actually doing a video on the S Pen right now, and I will show you if I get any scratches from using the S Pen. But yeah, I mean, I think it looks much better without that. All right, so I don't know. You guys be the judge. If you like it better with the cover on or the cover off, let me know in the comments. Did you pick up a Z Flip 3 or Z Fold 3? Are you getting one? And if so, would you take your screen cover off? And if you all could do us a huge favor and like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tech news, reviews, and so much more. And for your shot at winning a Best Buy gift card or a Terralax foot massager. Thanks everybody for questing with us. We really appreciate you all giving our channel a shot. Everybody have a great rest of the day. Stay safe and never stop questing. Peace.